Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, this case is about more than just an unfortunate situation. It's about the importance of legal definitions and the state's burden to prove every element without a reasonable doubt. As we examine the evidence that led us here today, I urge you to consider three critical points to demonstrate why my client Peter is not guilty of assault while hunting. First, let's consider the legal definition of hunting as it pertains to the case. The statute clearly states that for someone to be guilty of assault while hunting, they must be in pursuit of wild game or game birds. But was Peter truly in pursuit of wild game or wild birds when this incident occurred? The evidence will show that he was not. Peter and his friend Joe were engaged in target practice, setting up the cans behind Joe's house. This was a preparatory activity, not actual hunting. Now consider the context of the incident. Peter and Joe were not in a designated hunting area, but in a familiar setting, which happened to be Joe's backyard. They were preparing for a future hunting trip, yes, but in that moment, they were not hunting, and their intent was to simply improve their marksmanship by shooting at stationary targets. This context is crucial in understanding Peter's state of mind and actions. Finally, let's examine Peter's actions in that critical moment. When he saw the wild turkey, he made a split-second decision. The spontaneous reaction to him seeing that turkey led to him firing his gun, which unfortunately led to him shooting Joe. But it was never his intent to shoot Joe or to pursue wild game, which is the legal definition of hunting. In conclusion, I remind you that the prosecution must prove three elements without a reasonable doubt. They must prove that Peter was hunting by the law, as defined by the law. Given the points we've discussed, the legal definition of hunting, the context of the incident, and Peter's actions, it's clear that they cannot meet this burden. Therefore, you must find Peter not guilty of assault while hunting. Thank you.